friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Saint Beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. And here on my channel, I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to skincare, beauty, makeup, nails, a little bit of everything. So I'm really excited today because this is the second Fab Fit Fun Box that I've gotten. This is the winter edition. I'm out of breath. I literally just walked and got the box. I'm already out of breath. But I became an annual member. This is the second go around. I did it a couple years ago and I loved it, but it was just getting a little bit too much. So I took a break from it, came back. And so this is the second box. I got the fall box. This is the winter box. So I will link down below my link in case you want to get some money off of your first box if you've never tried it before. One of the perks about being an annual member is that I get to pick out the items that I want. I get early access, so they'll give me everything, and I have selections that I get to pick. So that's a benefit. Some of the subscription boxes that I've tried in the past, and the reason why I haven't gone with them or I canceled them is a lot of times I would get stuff that I wouldn't use, and sometimes I'd give it away as gifts, but mostly it was like, okay, oh, my light is, there we go. Whew, my light wasn't enough, but I just got a little bit too much and stuff that I wasn't going to use. That's why I love the Fab Fit Fun. That's why I'm an annual member, so I can pick out stuff that I actually am going to use from each of the different selections. I can't remember what I picked out because it was about a month ago, so this is going to be a surprise for the both of us. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Let me figure out how to open this. So it is quarterly, so fall, winter, spring, summer. So there's 4 boxes. You get a ton of products in here. So it is a really, really good deal. And some of the stuff I'm like really, some of the stuff that you get, it's like, okay, wait a minute. This one thing just paid for the whole box. So it's really cool. You always get little things like this. You can win some prizes or something like that. And these boxes are really good at send stuff, and like send returns. I send stuff like for Christmas and all that stuff to my sister. They're good, decent sized boxes. The other thing, they always give you these little cards like, or like little things. So this is a new Jennifer Gardner. That doesn't look like Jennifer Gardner. That's so weird. But an Ed Helms Family Switch on Netflix, November 30th. So it's a little advertisement. You get HelloFresh meal things. So that's that. Okay, let's get in the box. I'm just going to grab it and go. So the first thing I got was the DP Hue ACV apple cider vinegar and salicylic acid, whatever, however you say that, but it is a exfoliating scalp detox. So I've been wanting a scalp detox for a long time. This one I love. I do like DP Hue. I've used a couple of their products and I really like them, but this is a scrub-free exfoliating scalp pre-wash. Uses the power of apple cider vinegar, salicylic acid, and fruit enzymes to help detoxify and maintain a healthy scalp pH. It helps remove excess oil and product buildup. So mine's product buildup because I do not wash my hair every single day. So I do put dry shampoo in it, and I wanted something to like break down that product buildup. So I'm really excited about that. The next thing is this Grande Lash MD. This is a lash enhancing serum. So again, there's different categories that I was able to select from. If you're not an annual member and you're just purchasing for each season, I guess they call it a season member, you get whatever they pick out. So with this, it's like, okay, I may have 4 selections per 4 different categories or 5 different categories, and so I'm able to select which one out of the category I like. So I use a great one for my eyelashes. I use Hello Lash, which is amazing, but I always like to use different ones for my brows because the Hello Lash is a little expensive, so I figured this one is good for my brows. The next thing I got is a perfume. This is I don't know what it is, by Rosie Jane. I don't know. It is supposed to be vanilla, Hanuki wood, and nude musk. I didn't know musk was nude, but apparently it is. So ever since COVID, I can't smell things very well. So let's see what this. It actually smells good. I love musky stuff. I'm losing my voice. I don't know why, but it's like really heavy. It's got some substantial weight to it. Oh, look at how that all there is glass. Oh man, that's a big thing. But it does smell good. I love musky stuff. I do smell the vanilla in it, but it's like a vanilla musk, which I actually really, really like. So that's nice. Next thing I got was hand cream. Nutra Ocos. What? I don't even know. But it's a hand cream, nourishes hands and cuticles. So I have the driest hands ever. My cuticles are always dry. Ooh, I like this. I like these things, like where it's this weird, like, I don't even know what to call it. Like, I don't know. Let's see. I also am very picky about my hand creams because I like to put them on throughout the day, but I write a lot at my job. And so I like stuff that doesn't take a long time to like I don't want anything greasy. I want it to dissolve fairly quickly. This one is, I would say, moderate. I don't think of that. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to wear it during the day when I'm working, but it's definitely something like, it's a purse. I would like put it in my purse because driving and all that stuff, I just, you know how when you put greasy stuff on and then you go to write and you're like slipping off the pen? So this wouldn't be a good one for my everyday life, but this is definitely a good one to keep in my car or my purse. It smells bad, actually. What is that? So it's made out of Brazil nuts. Produce an oil that deeply nourishes skin. They are harvested sustainably by communities from the American Amazon region. I need my glasses. It smells like not good. I guess it does smell like Brazil nuts, but it's not a pleasant smell. I don't know. That's not the greatest. Vegan. Work with local communities to keep the forest standing. 97% natural origin, biocombustible formula, fast and effective action. They're against animal testing. So all the good things, but it just doesn't smell very good. This would be my car one because I don't use my car one that very often. It's hard to get into. Oh, they're earrings. So those are pretty. So they're just little hoops. I thought for my daughter. She doesn't watch my YouTube channel, so she don't know. But then you also get a coupon code to save $30. Hi, gorgeous. Want to elevate your jewelry game? Save $30 on your next purchase. So, but those are cute. I'm going to have to find a little box to put them in, but I just thought that she would like those. So that's a good Christmas. So that's what I look at. When I select my selections, I look for stuff that I am actually going to use, or I look for gift stuff. The other thing that it comes with is this one right here. I'll be honest, well, I'll tell you in a second, but I don't know if she'll wear that. I won't wear it. So whatever, it's a good gift. So this one retails for $78. It says it right there. So that is more than this whole box because I think it's $200 a year. So it's $50 a box for a season box or whatever. So this one thing here, and it's from Free People. So that's where it's like, okay, wait a minute. I know Free People ain't cheap. And it says the price on here is $78. So, you know, whatever. So, oh, that feels nice. That feels really, really nice. It's like that fuzzy material. It's not, yeah, I guess it is fuzzy, but it's like that warm material, but it's like super fuzzy. It's like wool, but like fuzzy wool. It's cold in my house today. Look at this. This is pretty. I just thought it was really, it doesn't match my house. I don't really have like these colors per se, but I just thought that it was just vibrant and pretty, but it is super, super warm. So like I said, that's where like some of the boxes, this is the second, like I mentioned before, second time that I've got a box. And the first box I got, I wasn't in love with. There were some things in there that I was like, I really don't think that I'm going to use. With this one, there's always like favorites. Like this one is definitely like, this makes the whole box. I'm really excited about the scalp stuff. This one, it's hit and miss. I have some others, not that big of a deal. I really like the perfume. The hand cream smells not so good. I got a gift right here, but then it's things like this. Like I'm not going to use this, but I will use it in a gift. Like I can collect these and then do a giveaway or something like that. So it's not a bad box. It's worth its money. I will put my stuff down below. I think these are awesome gift ideas as well. If you have somebody in your life where you know that they like certain things, like this isn't all beauty. They have beauty stuff that you can gravitate towards. But if you're looking for something that is a gift that's going to give all year, that is somebody hard to shop for, and you're looking for something that is unique, get them an annual Fab Fit Fun membership. They will get blessed every season. They'll be able to go in, they can create their own stuff, they can pick out what they want. And it's really, really cool. They can get a variety of different stuff, and they can get stuff that they actually want, but it's stuff that they wouldn't necessarily buy or they don't know about. Like, I had no idea that DP Hue had an exfoliator scalp thing. I've been wanting something like this. I keep forgetting to purchase it. And when I saw them at FabFitFun, I was like, perfect, it works. So if you're looking for a great Christmas holiday gift, this is definitely it. If you're looking for a great birthday gift, this is it as well. You can get them a season box, or you can get them the annual membership and have them be blessed 4 times a year, and they will absolutely love it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Until next time, bye.